Hi folks, welcome back to MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Hurd. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough with this brand new 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Sitting up here in the bow, you can see we got speakers, you got grab handles, nice and safe area. The kids want to gravitate up here, you're deep, you're sitting in the boat. Very comfortable, you can lounge out. We do have a bow filler cushion that fills in up here, so if you wanted a sun pad, you wanted to get some sun rays out from underneath the bimini, you can do that. As you walk through here, we do have the glass that closes over. So if you want to get out of the wind or anything like that and hide back here in the cockpit, you can do that. Over to the starboard side, you see we have our helm station with our Simrad screen. You got Fusion stereo, all your lights, running lights, anchor lights, all that right there. The Simrad's great. It's just like an iPhone. The more you mess with it, the more you're going to learn. You can use your maps, your depth, everything like that in there. Over here on the throttle, this is digital throttle, so it's nice and easy in and out of gear. It also has active trim, so if you're not really sure how to trim the engine up and kind of get to that optimal speed and less fuel burn, you can just turn that active trim on and the boat's going to do that automatically for you. Over here to the port side, nice big storage area underneath here. You do have a glove box, so if you need to put any of your documentation, phones, stuff like that, you can put that in there. Don't have to worry about it getting wet. Over here on the port side as well, we have a nice kind of configuration, big wraparound seating area, able to accommodate a lot of friends and family as you enjoy your time out on the water. And then you can also put this seat back the other way. If you're doing any water sports, it's a great place for someone to sit, kind of angle backwards and watch what most people are doing out in the water. Up overhead, speaking of water sports, we have the nice sports tower, bimini coverage. You can fold this up, you can fold it down if you need to get under any bridges or anything like that. Able to accommodate just really whatever you're looking to do to enjoy that time out on the water. Back here on the back of the boat, another sun pad area, and it's also equipped with a Mercury 200, so this is a great horsepower option for this boat. Able to get up on the lane, out on the water. If you have multiple guests on board, you don't have to worry about it being sluggish or anything like that. So that was a quick walkthrough with this brand new 2025 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Again, my name is Bill Hurd. We're here at MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. If you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough or you have any questions, you can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.